The term hepatodynia refers to a. Enlargement of the liver. b. Pain in the liver. c. Hardening of the liver tissue. d. Absence of liver enzymes. Answer, B. Hepato means liver and dynia means pain. Combined, hepatodynia specifically indicates liver pain, often associated with inflammation or trauma. A patient with tachypnea is experiencing a. Slow heart rate. b. Irregular breathing rhythm. c. Low blood oxygen. d. Rapid breathing. Answer, D. Tachy means fast, and pnea means breathing. Tachypnea is a clinical sign of respiratory distress or fever. The suffix lysis means a. Binding. b. Narrowing. c. Suturing. d. Loosening or destruction. Answer, D. Lysis describes breakdown or destruction of cells, substances, or adhesions, often seen in blood or tissue studies. Aphasia most accurately means a. Inability to swallow. b. Inability to speak. c. Loss of movement. d. Inability to breathe. Answer, B. Aphasia refers to speech. A dash means without. Aphasia is the loss of speech ability due to neurological damage. The prefix dis dash indicates a. Normal. b. Excessive. c. Difficult or abnormal. d. Sudden. Answer, C. Dis dash consistently signals difficulty or poor function, such as dysphagia, difficulty swallowing. Osteonecrosis refers to a. Cancer in the bone. b. Bone softening. c. Death of bone tissue. d. Abnormal bone curvature. Answer, C. Osteo equals bone, necrosis equals cell death. This condition results from poor blood supply. The combining form Ang/O refers to a. Nerves. b. Vessels. c. Tendons. d. Lymph nodes. Answer, B. Ang/O refers to any vessel, blood or lymph, commonly used in tests like angiography. Hypodermic literally means a. Under the skin. b. Above the skin. c. Across the muscle. d. Inside the vessel. Answer, A. Hypo equals under, derm equals skin. A hypodermic injection goes beneath the skin layer. Cardiomegaly is a. Hardening of heart valves. b. Fluid around the heart. c. Abnormal enlargement of the heart. d. Infection of the heart lining. Answer, C. Megaly equals enlargement, cardio equals heart. Cardiomegaly occurs in hypertension and heart failure. A myopathy is a disorder involving a. Blood. b. Muscle. c. Skin. d. The immune system. Answer, B. Myo means muscle and pathy means disease. Myopathies weaken muscle fibers. The suffix ectomy means a. Cutting into. b. Surgical repair. c. Viewing internally. d. Removing all or part of. Answer, D. Ectomy indicates surgical removal, as in appendectomy. Polyuria means a. Excessive glucose levels. b. Painful urination. c. Lack of urine production. d. Excessive urine production. Answer, D. Poly equals many/excessive, urea equals urine. Common in diabetes. Dermatitis is inflammation of the a. Hair follicles. b. Skin. c. Sweat glands. d. Nails. Answer, B. Dermat equals skin, itis equals inflammation. Causes include allergies, irritants, and infections. A nephrologist specializes in A. Liver disorders. B. Heart disorders. C. Kidney disorders. D. Brain disorders. Answer, C. Nephro relates to kidneys. Nephrologists manage renal disease and dialysis. Intercostal muscles are located. A. Between the ribs. B. Beneath the lungs. C. Around the spine. D. In the shoulder. Answer, A. Inter equals between, costal equals ribs. These muscles aid breathing. Hyperglycemia refers to A. Low blood pressure. B. High blood sugar. C. Excessive blood oxygen. D. Low oxygen saturation. Answer, B. Hyper equals high, glyc equals sugar, emia equals blood condition. Endoscopy is a procedure to A. View internal organs. B. Remove tumors. C. Replace damaged tissue. D. Insert surgical implants. Answer, A. Endo equals within, scopy equals viewing. Endoscopy uses flexible optical tools. A condition described as bradycardia means A. Rapid heartbeat. B. Slow heartbeat. C. Absent heartbeat. D. Irregular heartbeat. Answer, B. Brady equals slow, cardia equals heart. Seen in athletes or conduction disorders. Hemostasis involves A. Breaking down blood cells. B. Stopping bleeding. C. Increasing blood flow. D. Removing plasma. Answer, B. Hema equals blood, stasis equals stopping. Hemostasis prevents excessive blood loss. Neuropathy affects A. Joint tissue. B. Skin layers. C. Nerve function. D. Muscle tendons. Answer, C. Neuro means nerve, neuropathy leads to numbness, tingling, or pain. A thoracotomy is a surgical incision into the A. Abdomen. B. Chest. C. Skull. D. Kidney. Answer, B. Thoraco equals chest, tomy equals cutting into. Electroencephalogram records activity of the A. Heart. B. Lungs. C. Muscles. D. Brain. Answer, D. Encephalo equals brain, electro equals electrical, gram equals recording. A patient with leukocytosis has A. Low platelet levels. B. High white blood cell count. C. Low hemoglobin. D. High red blood cell count. Answer, B. Leuko equals white, cytosis equals increase in cells, associated with infection or inflammation. Subcutaneous refers to A. Above cartilage. B. Within vessels. C. Under the skin. D. Beside the spine. Answer, C. Sub equals under, cutaneous equals skin. Subcutaneous injections deliver slow absorption. Arthroscopy is a procedure used to A. Repair muscle tears. B. Examine joints internally. C. Measure nerve activity. D. Assess lung capacity. Answer, B. Arthro equals joint, scopy equals viewing. A camera is inserted into a joint for diagnosis or treatment.